Good morning. It is around 8 o'clock on Sunday. I am a little bit late for my workout. It starts at 8, but better late than never. I want to take down my Christmas tree decor. As you can see, it is up right now. It needs to just fix. And I want to probably make something really nice, like a salad or something for later. But today is just getting my life together. This is like a fitness type of vlog, I would say. So I'm really excited for that. So we're starting it off firstly with a workout, and then I will talk to you guys in a bit when I'm finished. So my workout is just finished and I really feel good about getting this done first thing in the morning on Sundays. It's like my personal me time and it's something that I really love doing and it makes me feel really good after. So this is like a really calorie burner for me. So I'm really happy about that. I'm gonna go home, get a juice done. I have carrots and celery that you guys would have seen in a previous vlog, and get some juices. I got these cute glass bottles which I think will be really nice for my juices. I'm gonna probably make a salad, something with cold tofu. I feel like if that would be really good, especially after I worked out. I am loving just doing fun things as a way of losing weight, because that's what I did over the past like almost 8 months, and that is what really drastically helped me lose weight, because I did things that were really fun to me and not going to the gym. Like I stayed strictly out of the gym, which I think really did help me, because I was doing like dance, walking, skipping, HIIT, Pilates, and a lot of other things like that, which really inspired me more to want to do stuff instead of feeling like if I had to go to the gym and like if it was a chore. Like that's really how it was. Like I used to feel like the gym was such a chore, no matter what I did to try to like feel that about it and feel inspired about it. It just never made me feel motivated, and I've been so consistent doing things that I love that I don't even like think twice about working out now. It's just something fun for me. So yeah, let's go home, make cold tofu, and see how the rest of the day goes. Firstly, my hair needs to wash. I just sweat so much today, TMI. I have to take down my Christmas decor. I completely forgot about it. And I told myself before I even shower and change and stuff, I will just take down everything right now, because I know if I only sit down and take 2 seconds and shower and stuff, I'm not going to take down my decor, and work starts back tomorrow. So this is like my final chance to take it down, or else it's going to stay up for a really long time and we can't have that. Let me just say though that I really do regret not putting up my tree earlier, and next year I want to put it up first week in November. It really does feel sad that I did not get to enjoy it as much as I could have, because I was really late in putting it up, which is just sucky. Next year I do want a different tree though. I want like a white flocked tree, so I feel like if I'll get that next year. But you guys, if you were like me and you put up your tree late, I highly recommend that you don't do that, because I think my tree was up only for about 3 weeks and then I was able to enjoy it. Lola is literally in the tree right now. But yeah, it's sad to see it come down, because I do love my tree. I feel like if hair is going to look really sparse by the time like I take these things down, and I feel like if I will need to get something in the corner here, because it will look really empty.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
me is looking so bare right now. Like, I'm not even kidding. It looks so empty, my entryway. I need to go back in pictures and see how it looked because now it looks so empty. I might do something really nice for spring, like maybe do some pops of color, some flowers and stuff like that. So I think that's what I will do, but not today because I need to speed it up because I take forever to do anything. I could probably spend the entire day doing this. I'm really happy I finally got that done. Check that off of my list. I just took a shower. I will wash my hair later. I know myself, and if I wash my hair now, I will just want to do nothing all day. So I'll wash my hair later this evening. But this is the tofu. I'm gonna be making the cold tofu. This is basically where you could eat the tofu cold, and you just need like soy sauce, some sushi vinegar. I'm watching it in the back there. Garlic and some thyme or scallion or something like that. And you basically just marinate it, and it's just so good. So I'm gonna make the entire pack so I can have something to eat for lunch and dinner, and this is so good. You can do like a rice bowl with this, you can do vegetables. I have avocado, which I might add to this, and just maybe do some rice or something like that. Lola, stop. So I have my tofu here, and I just was soaking up excess water with the, please ignore Lola. So this is how it looks, really nice and firm. So I need to get like a measuring glass situation, but we don't have one of that, so we're just gonna ignore that for now. So I'm gonna do soy sauce. Actually, I will save my soy sauce. I have like packets of soy sauce I can use. You guys, Lola cries all the time whenever I'm in the kitchen now, and she cries for treats, so you need to ignore that. Oh good lord. This is so ratchet using this, but we're gonna ignore that. So I did some soy sauce, a little bit of sushi vinegar, some of this honey, so cute. Chili flakes. Lola. Lola, just now. Lola, just now. Just now. Lola, Coco. Take an evening nap, and I don't feel bad about it at all. The tofu salad with vegetables was really good as well, so you can definitely try that if you're looking for vegan options for food. I had a really good nap, and I felt like if I needed it, because I am starting back work tomorrow like I told you guys, and I just felt like if I needed to just like get myself mentally prepared for tomorrow. I have my Move Daily Wellness Journal with me here. I will have it linked down for you guys. So I usually do this at the end of every single day. It helps me keep track of my breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. So this is how it looks. And I basically just go ahead and fill it out. So I worked out today, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, as well as my workouts. I also use my watch, so I do have a Fitbit watch, and it basically gives me an idea of how many steps, calories, and everything like that I burned for the day. I will kind of put a little thing on the screen so you can see how it looks, and I love keeping track of that. The Move Daily Wellness Journal does not have like a specific space for calories or steps, because I did not want to make it in such a way that if you don't want to track those things that you feel like if you have to, because not everybody is going to have like a smartwatch or something like that, and that is totally fine. It's not always about calories or steps, it's just about how you feel. So this is a 6-month wellness journal, and I will talk about this in another video when I talk about my weight loss and stuff like that. But I do love this so much because it holds me very, very accountable every single day, you know, so I can see what I'm eating and how I feel after I eat, or how I feel at the end of the day and all of that. That is something that I really love doing. And then in the night as well, I am addicted to doing word search. So I have like this little book that I got from the grocery, and yeah, this really calms my mind so much. I talked about this before. I'll probably go make a nice cup of tea or something like that. I'm editing the video right now from today so that you guys can get more frequent uploads, and I hope that you are enjoying this style of video. It's like more vlog. So that is basically what I'm gonna do for the rest of the night, just chill and get myself an early rest for work tomorrow, because your girl does not want to be not knowing what is going on, because I have tons of emails and stuff to go through. Oh my goodness, I was telling you guys about my workshops. All of my workshops for January are fully booked, and I'm so excited about that. I'm thinking to do some in February or March. I will definitely try to like get good recording clips for you guys from my workshops this year. I'm really, really excited about it. I feel like if I'm very, very excited for this year. I always tell you guys that 2022 was a little bit of a rough, challenging year to me. One of the most challenging years for me, to be honest. And I'm really just so excited and trusting in the magic of new beginnings. So I hope you enjoy this vlog. Let me know if you are liking these kinds of videos. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.